All right, on the bench today, the Sundpey 379-piece home toolkit. Company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. It came packed really well, like double boxed. Everything arrived safely. This kit is roughly 17 inches by 13 inches by about 6 inches deep, and it weighs in at about 17 pounds. Comes in a nice, compact, folding molded case. It makes it easy to keep everything in one place and easy to store away. It's got a little instruction sheet on here that just lists what you've got in here, what comes with it, so that's kind of cool. I really like the case on this. The handle feels great, feels pretty durable, and the clasps aren't overly tight, which I like. I love the fold-up design and that everything has its own place inside of here. I see this as more of a homeowner's kit rather than something you take to work in the trade, so I'm not expecting snap-on quality tools, but they appear to be decent quality chrome-plated tools. The kit has pretty much all of the common tools you'll need around the house, plus a bunch of those, unique items that you may find yourself in need of throughout the year, running to the hardware store to get. So check this out, it actually splits apart, and this case is removable. And we've got a whole nother set of tools under here, which I'll go through. It's got a level, magnetic level. It's got all the common stuff you need in here. Your Phillips head, your flathead, handled nut driver that goes along with all these different tools that they've given us here. They've given us all kinds of little drivers and stuff that you can use. And these longer ones also fit into a drill if you happen to have a drill. I like that. A little bit of vinyl tape. Giving us a 10-foot tape measure. Folds up nice, very nice. Claw hammer in here. It's not a big full-size hammer. It's a smaller one. Looks like it's about 9.5 inches long. It's like a metric Allen wrench set. Is there a standard set in here somewhere, I wonder? Nope, just metric. Some nice little wire strippers. Wire cutters. Those will come in handy. I use these all the time. Giving us a small set of files in here, which is nice. They've given us a socket driver, and looks like we have a set of metric sockets going from 10 through 19, and a couple of little attachments, a little adapter to lengthen it out. We have a spark plug adapter. We have the adapters on here to use the smaller metric sockets that we have going from 4mm through 13mm. Nice little pair of needle nose pliers here. It's like a saw. There's a box cutter, some extra box cutter blades, a metal rule that is standard on one side and metric on the other. Little voltage tester for direct voltage and inductive voltage. You basically touch this and you run it along the wire. For inductive or direct, you can stick this into an outlet and see if you've got voltage. It goes up to 220 volts. Me, I'm going to use a meter for that, but there you go. Yeah, a couple of smaller fine flathead and a Phillips head. Those are nice. I like that grip on that. And we have a wood pencil here. And let's see what we got underneath. Underneath we have some metric kits going from 8 through 15. What is that? 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. Little pair of channel locks, some scissors, some more saw blades extras. And this is kind of cool. A little precision electronics screwdriver kit. This is cool because it's got these weird torque bits that you find yourself needing every once in a while that you never have, and now you do. We've got some different types of wall anchors for drywall, some screws, and it looks like some picture hangers. We've got some heavy sandpaper here, some cable ties, and a few drill bits. So there you go, a nice full basic toolkit, great for a home handyman or a DIYer. Obviously this would be great for working on your car, pretty much everything you need for around the house. My daughter and her fiance just got a new home, and this kit's going to be perfect for them since they're just moving in. They'll have everything they need in case they run into an issue at home. And there you go, everything just locks back into place. Slide this up over there, and ready to store away or use. Very nice.